Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can embed an audio to Google Slides. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Slides. So right now we're going to start a new presentation. As you can see guys, from here you can add a blank presentation. And right here, you're going to find some templates that can make things easier for you. So you can select any template that you like, or you can click on templates gallery, and then you're going to expand the list and choose any template that you want. For example, I'm going to click on a blank presentation. And as you can see, guys, now we added a new presentation. You can add the title from here. For example, I'm going to name it tutorial. And then we're going to go right here and then click on this little plus icon, or you can click on this little arrow and then choose which type of slides you want to add. For example, I'm going to add a blank slide, and then you can go right here to the top and click on insert in order to add an audio. Once you click on insert, you're going to find the option to add an image, a text box, an audio, a video, a shape, and so on. So we're going to click on audio. And then once you click on audio, as you can see, guys, you can either add an audio from your drive, your Google Drive, or you can click right here on shared with me. And lastly, recent. Basically, guys, you can't upload the audio from directly from your PC. You need to upload it first to a drive and then insert it from there. From here, you can sort by name, last modified by me, and so on. From here, you can do newest to oldest or the opposites. If you click right here, you can filter, see the list like this or like this. From here, you can add filters, days modified, owner, and so on. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.